Doraemon? Hi, Simba here. Can you tell me where I am right now? Oh well, we have landed in Asia. Oh, I have reached Asia? I just can't believe it. This is such a wonderful place.
Pumba? Pumba, hey, what's going on? Whoa, jeez, why do we always have to save her? Don't worry, buddy, I'm here for you. Everything's gonna be okay. Come here, come with us. You'll be watching a cultural show.
Yes, have you heard of the Korean fan dance? Fan dance? What is that?
Come, we'll show you.